Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my range break strategy. Guys, I've been using this strategy for like 2 years now, and I've made a video previously about the strategy which was 11 months ago, and I also made another video like a plus. But interestingly, I've been using this strategy to trade just range break, and I've been seeing consistent profits just trading range break, just the range break market. Okay, I don't know, maybe it's because some person maybe it's because a lot of people don't really pay much attention to range break markets, and the manipulation is not very often compared to crash and boom. Okay, but for like the past 1 week I've been trading just range break. Okay, and today's date is Sunday 14th August. Okay, so let me show you my trade yesterday, which was Saturday 13th August. Okay, I traded just only range break, and I made $99. Okay, that was yesterday. Then on Friday I also traded just range break, and I made 100 and I made $181. Okay, so guys, can you see that I'm just using a very small lot size, just 0.05 lot size? So it's not as if I'm using big lot size and trying to quickly do something in the market. No, I'm trading this market consistently with even good risk management, and yet I am making consistent profits of the market. So now on Thursday and on Wednesday I didn't take any trade. So let's just go to Tuesday. So let's go to Tuesday, which is 9th August. Okay. Yes, I made just $48. So I didn't get good opportunity in the market, so I just made only 40 something dollars. So but on Monday also I traded just range break. Okay, and I made $153. Okay, so guys, can you see how consistent this strategy is? Because the range break market is somehow different. The market is just programmed. The market is just like an algorithm. Okay, just like an algorithm. So the market is somehow different. Is if you can just trade this market with simple with discipline and trade it mechanically, like the way I'm going to teach you, then you consistently make profits from trading the range break market. Okay, so guys, now this strategy is not available. I'm not going to post it on YouTube because I don't want it to get saturated, just to avoid saturation. But the strategy is available for all my VIP students. But however, if you want the strategy, I've made a structured video explaining how to trade the range break market, a blueprint. I'll attach a link to access the video. I'll attach it in the description box of this video. So just check the description box of the video if you want to get the strategy and trade the range break market consistently and profitably. Guys, you don't really need to use a very big lot size when trading this market. You can just use minimum lot size. Okay, and you see consistent profit from the market. So can you see, just 0.05 lot size, and I'm making $18, $33. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also feel free to share this video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.